Everyone, today we're going to be making some Jello Crepe cake. It's the harmony with berries, so it's different than just the crepe cake. So to get started, I have 10 crepes ready to go. You can use either chocolate crepes or white, and I have sour cream, some fresh berries and frozen, and powdered sugar in my pan ready, the gelatin and the water. So, and I will link everything in the description box below for more details. So, and here we have the gelatin with cold water. Mix it, leave it in for 5 minutes, and let's start assembling the other parts. So this is the sour cream with powdered sugar. You can do half of sour cream and half Cool Whip. That will taste amazing, but today I only had sour cream. Mix that with powdered sugar, and as the Jello has thickened, now we need to heat it up over medium-low heat. We do not want to bring it to a boil. We just want it to kind of start steaming. So as this already melted, now to our we're gonna have the mixer running with our cream, and slowly we're just gonna pour in our warm Jello mix, and we're just gonna continue doing that until it is all well combined, and you can scrape the sides, and this is what it turns out. So, and I got all the berries pre-cut and everything ready, so you kind of want to have everything prepared because once the Jello in, it kind of sets. So, and I've lined with a clear wrap, and then I placed one crepe on the very bottom, and into these little cups I kind of made them into I placed some berries in, and then I'm gonna place some cream. So just fill it up, and we're just gonna fill it up with all of them and just continue with the next process, and we're gonna layer it out into our pan. So as you can see, my bottom crepe, I placed some cream on the bottom too, and then you're just gonna continue making these and fill it up to the top and save one crepe for the very top. And then now, and save some berries too to sprinkle. And now our leftover crepe is here, and place the berries. Now let's place the rest of our cream and cover it up with the top of the top of our cake with the crepe, and make sure kind of like that it's a clean look and nothing is coming out. And we're just gonna refrigerate this. Cover it up and refrigerate. It needs to be best overnight so it can have the best results. And this is the overnight. And we're just gonna remove the film. And this is what it looks like. It's amazing and it tastes delicious. And it's just like a different way of making a crepe cake. So, and I will also slice it for you so you can see what it looks on the inside. And the cake pan size here is 20 centimeters, just in case. And I will link everything in the box below, so check that out. So that's what it looks on the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Please leave